Hi, welcome back to another vlog. So today is Tuesday and I'm actually in my car, as you guys can probably tell. I'm in the parking lot of the hair salon I go to in Redondo Beach, and I'm here actually really early because I had to run some errands beforehand, and I thought that I was gonna be cutting it close, but I'm not. I'm actually like 30 minutes early, so I'm just sitting in my car. There's a Smart and Final, so I went and grabbed a snack. They only had this ginormous bag of hot Cheetos, but that's alright because I will eat some of these and save them for later, or obviously for another day. So I'm gonna go get my hair done in like 30 minutes. And yeah, so you guys will see some of that process. And yesterday actually, my mother-in-law came over to our house for a little bit, and she's like, "Whoa, Blanca, you popped out." And then today Michael tells me, "Wow, Blanca, your stomach looks bigger." And I'm like, God, you guys are all calling me like a whale. I definitely feel bigger though. I am 36 weeks this Thursday, and I definitely feel bigger. So I just want to make it past 38 weeks. I'd be happy with 38 weeks. And the only reason I say that is because next weekend we have a wedding to go to, and it's my brother-in-law's wedding. And I don't want to miss it. I don't want to miss the wedding. So, I mean, if the baby is born, obviously I will miss it, which is fine. But I'd really like to be there. And yeah, so anyways, I am going to have a little bit of snack. I'm going to watch some YouTube on my phone. And then we're going to head over to the salon to get my hair done today. Good morning. So it's the next day now. And I didn't show you guys my hair yesterday, but this is what it turned out looking like. She re-dyed like the red and then did some more color up here to let it kind of like blend together. And she cut some, I told her to cut about 3 inches, but she thought it would be too much, so she only cut about 2 inches. And I actually really like the length. I don't know, since becoming a mom, I've liked short hair a lot more than I've liked long hair. And yeah, I haven't done anything to my hair today, and I wish it looked this good all the time. I don't know, I think like my hairstylist has like magic hands, because every time she does my hair, it just looks amazing and I love it. Anyways, I'll link her Instagram down below. She is so awesome. She just, I don't know, she just works so well with my hair, and I've been going to her for almost 5 years, I want to say. So yeah, anyways, I'm at home now. It's freezing cold today. It's the first day that it hasn't rained in like a week, so there's some sun going on out there, but it's still freezing inside. And I still have a crazy boy. This has been literally just like the other day. This has been him all day today. He is so active. I don't know what it is, what is happening. I don't know if like he senses the baby coming and he's like, I need to be a crazy boy. Do you need to be a crazy boy? Yeah. What are you doing in your room? Show me what you're doing in your room. Here, let's go to your room. Show me. What are you doing in your room?
Toy.
ABCs of D&D. Let me see. Let me see. Oh, bring it over here. You're too far. Give me the other one. Is this your favorite?
Yeah.
Michael bought him these books. This one is 1, 2, 3s of D&D. And D&D is for Dungeons and Dragons. It's like that board game. Michael plays it with his friends, and he wants Michael to eventually get into it. And then he bought him ABCs of D&D. These are so cute. They're actually really cute books. He got them on Amazon. Yeah, they were really cheap too. I think he got both of them for maybe like 20 bucks or something like that. I don't remember, but they're fairly cheap and they're super cute. What are you doing? Which one do you want to read? This one or this one?
This one.
This one? Okay. The 1, 2, 3s of D&D. We begin with one dungeon master telling a story of daring deeds, the adventure of 2 heroes and their brave and noble steeds. nesting for a while, but right now it's on overdrive, as Michael says. I've been cleaning all kinds of things out and decluttering and throwing things, well, not throwing things away, but just donating a bunch of things. Michael, how many bags did you take to Goodwill yesterday?
Was I supposed to take or that I actually took?
That you were supposed to take.
I don't know, like 8 or 9.
Yeah.
And then I forgot 2.
And then I'm still working on these bags right here. And I don't know what's going on, but I am like ready to like clean things out. We got rid of a lot of our alcohol. These 2 cabinets were full of alcohol, and I cleared them all out. It was just alcohol that we were just never gonna drink. I just kept a bunch of our wines, but I actually want to move all this up here to the very top up here and organize that, because there's stuff everywhere that we do not need and use, and I'm just over it. So Michael thinks I'm going crazy and that I need to chill out, but I just can't. I'm gonna sit down for like 2 seconds and watch them play, because they're playing together right now. What are you guys doing, Michael?
Train.
You're playing with the trains?
Yeah.
What does the train say?
Choo-choo.
Choo-choo. Which one's your train?
Train favorite.
Which one's your favorite?
Train favorite.
Show me your favorite.
Train favorite.
Which one?
Train favorite.
That one's your favorite?
Thank you.
Yep, you're welcome.
This is what they do every single day. Bring out the tracks and just play. Like some more alcohol that we have, but this is all wine. We like the Stella Rosa wine a lot, and then we have more Stella Rosa. It's all basically Stella Rosa, except this one. This is the Madalena one, and then I have some sparkling wine, and this is really good. We got this on a cruise years ago, and it's so good. And this one back here too is really good. But yeah, but this is a really special one. Let me show it to you guys. This one we got for our wedding. It was from a gift from Michael's Lena, and it's engraved in the back. It's super pretty, and it has our name and then our date. It's super cute. One day it's going to be out on display, but for now it stays in this nice case, and it's probably never going to get drank. So this is what I got so far. I put all the alcohol and the glasses up there, which is fine. I still need to work on these two. And down here, I was able to get this whole thing just cleared out, which is nice. And then protein and some beer down here for the parties. And then this is Michael's Junior's drawer with all his cups and plates and all that. did you make?
The one.
What is it?
Frog.
A frog. Where's your snake? That's such a good frog, Michael. Where's your snake?
No.
Make a snake for Mama. Can you make a snake for Mama? Show me. Good job. Oh my gosh, that's such a good snake. Good job. What color is your snake? Blue snake, you're right. That's very good. Before I end this video, I wanted to show you guys what I did and how it looks. It's kind of dark, but the very top shelf, I put in like all of our stuff that we don't use.
Michael.
All of our dry stuff that we don't use all the time. And then up here, I put in like exactly what's in there, so that if anybody is looking for something, they know what's on every shelf, especially Michael. Go with Daddy.
Everybody.
So I have a little bit of pasta, some rice, some lentils. I have our pancake mix up there because we don't reach for that all the time. And then in this second shelf, it's mostly all of our cans. I wish I had a light, but I don't have one. So I like put our cans in there. And then here again is a list of everything I have in here. And then this last one here has all of our spices and oils and peanut butters or nut butters. And again, I have a list of everything that's in there. This bottom one remained the same. This up here, I have some new stuff in there, but beforehand it was super packed and this was overflowing into two other shelves. So I was able to just leave it up on this shelf, so that's good. And then the other day I showed you guys exactly what was up there. So like there's like the wine and all of our alcohol, our wine glasses, all of that is up there. This one right here, I should have shown you guys it before, I don't think I did. But this one and this one were full of like plates and cups, and it's still kind of full like that, it definitely is, but it looks more organized. Up here I kind of just have extras, like extra plates, extra cups, extra mugs for whenever we have guests come over. And then this one right here just has like our everyday stuff. I am not like super picky about having everything be exactly the same, and obviously it's definitely not Pinterest worthy, but I think this is really going to work for our family. So this is the organizer that I got at Aldi, and I put our plates right here, and I really like it this way. I think it's going to make a little bit less noise, and with a 2-year-old that's a really light sleeper and a newborn coming, I think that's going to be really helpful. And then I have some extra mugs over there. I have some mason jars and some smaller cups, and then our larger cups right here, like our big, like 12 ounces cups, and then a couple of bowls and a couple of small bowls. But then we also have bowls up here, more cups, more larger cups up here and all that. And then these are like our tumblers that I kind of like to rotate. I get bored of them, so I like to rotate them. I have a soda stream, and then Michael's coffee mug that he takes to work every day. And then down here, so these two cabinets, these two shelves were full of like alcohol and soda and just like random stuff. So I cleaned that out. I put all the alcohol up at the top, and I gave a lot of it away, and then we also threw some out. But now down here, we do have a little bit more beer back there that we don't want to toss for parties and stuff like that, and some soda. And then Michael's protein and all of his powder, all of his powder stuff is here. So I put some appliances in here, and the reason I did that is because they were all in this shelf right here, and it was really crowded. And to be honest, in order for me to take my griddle out, which is right here, it was really hard. I had to move like 3 or 4 things, and it was just really hard. So now I have my cutting boards like nicely stacked right here, and I can just grab them. I don't have to like search for them everywhere. I left my griddle here because it wouldn't fit on the other cabinet. And then I have this basket here full of smaller appliances like a scale, my cheese shredder and stuff like that. I have my toaster oven. And then back over here, I just put a rice cooker, our crock pot, our blender, and then our blender cups right here. And that looks way better. And then here are some of the things that I took out that we are going to donate. Most of these are going to donation. We're just not going to keep them. I have 2 full like plate sets that I'm just, you know, I just don't really like them, so I'm just going to give them away. And then I have this tea kettle right here. It's a really nice glass tea kettle that my mom gave to us. It's from the Princess House brand. I don't really know that brand, but anyway, she gave this to us. And Michael and I have been married almost 5 years, and she gave that to me before we were even married. I've never used it. I've never ever used it, and I probably never will. So I'm just gonna give it back to her because I don't want to donate it. I'm just gonna give it back to her because I feel like it's a really nice piece. We're just never gonna use it. It's never gonna use. We don't drink tea, so there's that. And I'm out of breath. Whew. So today is Friday. Yesterday, Thursday, I turned 36 weeks officially, and I'm tired. Whew, that little chat with you guys just made me out of breath. Anyways, I hope you guys are enjoying like these like snippets of every day, showing you how we're getting ready for the baby and all of that. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye.